Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to Mommy Trader, welcome. On this channel, I am just documenting our journey to financial freedom. We show real numbers around here. I dig into portfolios and sometimes budgets and different things to help motivate and encourage us on our journey while hoping to inspire some of you to get started on your own personal wealth building journey. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. So on today's video, I am going to be investing $200 into our dividend portfolio, and this is for the first part of March. So I have allotted $200 out of our first paycheck in March towards investing in our specific dividend funds. Now we do invest in a 401k, an IRA, HSA. We also have growth stocks and all these other types of portfolios, but I love filming this type of video because I like to show people that you don't need a whole lot of money to start investing. And as you can see, I already transferred the $200. Now there was $1.30 just sitting in this account, and so when you combine that with the $200 I transferred, we have $201.30. So we are going to deposit this money into 5 different stocks today, but as you can see, just quickly, we are currently sitting at basically $11,600. We are currently up about $129 on the day, or about 1%. The market has been really red these past, I would say, almost 2 weeks, but I have been buying on each dip. I have not been getting scared and frustrated and selling any of your positions, but you can rebalance your portfolios if you like. But I have just been buying, just staying the course. Remember, guys, when there is blood in the streets, when there's a lot of panic selling and fear in the markets, that's when you should buy. If you have some money aside and you've been waiting on investing, when you see red, that is the best time to invest, because that means everything is on sale. So don't get scared when you see red. Remember, guys, the stock market isn't going anywhere. There wouldn't be so many millionaires and billionaires if the stock market was not a legit way to increase your wealth or to achieve wealth. So remember that, guys. Okay, so as you can see, on the day we're up now over $11,600. Let's see, on the past 24 hours, up about $130. On the week, we are down $860. So that's over 5% of the account. We are down, guys. But again, we are investing for the long haul, and we are not phased by this. For the past month, we are still up. Look, we are up over $3,600, or 46%. On the past 3 months, you can see that we are up about 72%, or a little over $4,800. On the past year, and I have had this account since September 17th to be exact. That's why you see this kind of flat green line right here. But so far we have gotten about 83%, especially if I click on all, about 83%. So that's really good returns. That's why I'm always talking about the stock market. And when you see red, don't panic. Just continue to put your money to work for you, and it will eventually go back up. So I have my little paper here, so I'm sorry if you hear it in the background, because I have my notes written. So I have 5 stocks that I want to put this $200 in. So we are first going to go to Coke. You see this red on this Coke, that is okay. As you can see, we currently have a little over 10 shares. Our average cost is $50.64. We are down in this position, but it's only about $13. We have almost $500 in this position, so it's $13 is not that big of a deal. We're just going to continue to buy, and it is going to bring our average cost down some. So we are going to buy just 1 share. We're going to review our order. It's just reviewing and saying you want to place an order for 1 share. I'm saying yes, I'm going to buy this, and the Coke share was purchased, just 1 share. And you can see, if I refresh the screen here, that it was added 11 shares now, and our average cost is about $50.52. So let's go back to our main screen, and we are going to now put some money into POTX. Now this is a marijuana ETF. Again, I've been talking about marijuana being a really hot sector right now. I talked about this over on my Instagram, so make sure you guys go on and follow me over there. I do post almost every day on Instagram, and on YouTube I do post just 4 days a week now. But again, if you want to follow me more on day to day, see what I'm doing, see what I'm looking at, Instagram is the best place. So I'll have that in the description box below, but it's basically Mommy Trader YouTube channel, all one word, on Instagram. And so I want to buy 4 shares of POTX because look, we currently have a little over 13 shares. Our average cost is about $19.54, but we are down in this position. The market has just been really tearing up, I think, everybody's portfolios, but that is okay. We have our 4 shares in. We are going to press buy, purchase these shares, and we are done. Let's refresh this so we can see this kind of refresh with our new position. So look, our new average cost is $18.95, and we currently now have 17 shares, or a little over 17 shares of this particular ETF. Let's go back to our main screen. You can see we have $83.86 left. So now I want to buy 1 stag, and I know that's here. I'm gonna type this in so you guys can see. So stag, the ticker symbol is STAG. It is just Stag Industrials. I really am bullish on this company, and it pays out a great dividend as well. And as you can see, we have about 4 shares. We just want to buy 1 share. Put that in there. Review order, buy. Order was placed, and now purchase. See, it doesn't even take long to do this, guys. If you want to invest, especially if you want to manage your own investments, sometimes it really just takes a couple minutes out your day to have more insight into your stocks and what you're doing. Now, of course, if you have an HSA or 401k, that's really professionally managed, but you can still have some say into that as well. You can still rebalance your portfolio if you want to. But I really like brokerages like Robinhood, like M1 Finance, like Webull, because I feel like it allows the investor to have more say over their investments and help them become more knowledgeable as well. So as you can see, we have $52.05, and the next company is Main Street Capital. Really great company if you're looking to get into companies that are really good at helping others find investment properties and different things like that. And so I really like Main Street Capital. As you can see, we currently have a little over 6 shares. Our average cost is $32.13, and we are actually up in this position, but I do want to add 1 more share to this. 1 share. Let's review our order. Buy, done. Let's refresh the page so we can see our average costs updated. So $32.76, and you can see we have a little over 7 shares. So let's go back to our main page. Okay, and the last stock that I wanted to buy was Ford, but now I'm actually changing my mind because we have a little more than I thought. I thought we were going to have a little closer to like $12, but now that we have 15, I may want to put this somewhere else. I can buy a whole share of Chronos, but let me see what else. And this is actually, I'm glad I'm filming this so that you guys can see the process with this. See kind of like my thinking behind it. I like Gladstone, but I'm really loving Ford. I'm liking some of the things that's coming down the pipeline, especially getting into the EV space. I think that is really wise, honestly, because that's where the automotive industry is kind of transitioning to, especially in the next 5 years, is EV. So I think I'll split up. How many do I have? As you can see, I have 10 shares of Ford. So let me go on. You know what? I'm changing my mind. And that is fine, guys. If you want to change your mind. That is okay. This is, personal financing. Whatever you feel like is best, that's what you should do. I think I'm going to put this $15 actually. I know it won't buy me a whole share, but I do really like Realty Income. And because it is down, I want to, put some money in this. So I'm going to put $15. I can't. And this is perfect. Oh, yes. See how I don't have enough to buy a whole share? So I'm going to change this to dollars. And I'm going to tell it I want to buy $15.50 worth of Realty Income. You just change it to the dollar portion, put your amount in. It'll tell you how much the share quantity you will own. So I will own a little over a quarter of a share. We're going to review our order. We're going to buy it, and it's been purchased. Let's refresh it so we can see it updated. And it's been updated. So now we have about 5.30 shares. I mean, that's pretty much what it is. Our average cost also was updated to $60.86. So let's go back to the main page, and we have 1 penny here. So again, guys, that's pretty much it. Again, this video was about 10 minutes long. Didn't take too long to use this $200, and it does go quickly, but to see it go into something that's going to yield more increase in our future, it's just really encouraging when it comes to investing. So if you guys have any questions, just leave them down below. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like the video, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.